How to get Samsung One UI on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to trygalaxy.com. You will then be taken to the Try Galaxy homepage, where you can experience Samsung Galaxy features. Now go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the three dots icon. Then, tap on Share. From the options, scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Then, tap on Add as shown to confirm. You can now find the Try Galaxy web app icon on your home screen. Here, tap on Next to proceed. You have now successfully entered the Samsung One UI interface. You can explore different apps, widgets, and settings to get a feel for the interface and its features, such as swiping down to view the quick panel. Following these steps, you can easily get a Samsung One UI on an iPhone.